In today's video, we're diving into the best astrology apps for Android that can help you uncover insights about your life through the stars. Whether you're a seasoned astrology enthusiast or just curious about your zodiac sign, these apps have something for everyone. Let's get started. Astrology Jyotish. Astrology Jyotish is a comprehensive app designed for those interested in the principles of Vedic astrology. It provides detailed charts, predictions, and personalized insights based on your birth data. The app offers features like daily horoscopes, compatibility analysis, and various astrological calculations, including your birth chart, kundali, and planetary movements. Users will find a wealth of information about their personalities, strengths, and weaknesses, all based on ancient Vedic principles. Astrology Jyotish is perfect for users wanting a deeper understanding of their lives through the lens of Vedic astrology. Vedic Astrology. Vedic Astrology is another excellent app focused on the ancient Indian system of astrology. The app offers personalized readings based on your natal chart and provides insights into various aspects of your life, such as love, career, and health. Users can explore specific features like detailed horoscopes, planetary transits, and significant astrological events. Additionally, Vedic astrology provides educational content to help users better understand astrological concepts and their implications. This app is ideal for those who want to delve deeper into Vedic astrology and gain valuable insights into their lives. Horoscope Astrology. Horoscope Astrology is a user-friendly app that offers personalized daily, weekly, and monthly horoscopes based on your zodiac sign. The app features simple navigation, allowing users to easily access their horoscopes along with compatibility readings and forecasts for different aspects of life. Users can also explore various zodiac signs and their traits, making the app not only informative but also entertaining. With daily notifications to keep you updated on your horoscopes, this app is perfect for astrology enthusiasts who want quick and easy access to their daily insights. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Astrology Jyotish, Vedic astrology, and horoscope astrology helps you find the perfect app to explore and enhance your astrological journey. Until next time, stay aligned with the stars.